Hi, I'm Josh. This is my channel, Newtons per second. Welcome, everybody. And a quick update on the progress with the Jupiter 3 on that extension making the electronics bay. I got a couple of packages in that were going to be key components, getting that project up and running so I can be launching June 10th is my plan with the RIMRA, the Rhode Island High Power Rocket Club. And I got a box from Chris Rocketry and MJG Technologies, and I like using their Firewire E-matches. And yeah, I'll switch over, you guys get a closer look to see what I got. I wanted to add this into the video after I filmed that, getting the package from Chris Rocketry and MJG Technologies. I got my hands on an L1000. And this kind of goes back to the box opening of the Aerotech motors on the previous video, and I was mentioning the K535 White Lightning from Aerotech was going to be like the test flight, and I didn't have access to an L1000. It was still on back order, but I got one, and Rick from Wildman, Connecticut, he had one and went down there and picked one up, so still waiting. I'll take the one on back order still, so two L1000s. But yeah, here it is, the L1000. Awesome. And I like to add that I misunderstood or didn't read. I read outdated information on the RIMRA Club webpage. They actually have a 4,500 foot waiver, so I don't have to worry about busting their waiver. I can just going straight with the L1000. So I will not be using the K535 as kind of like the test flight and checking the coefficient drag and all that. So I'm super excited getting this L1000, and I haven't fired an L since back, I think, 2001 with the L1120 White Lightning. And so, yep, this is gonna be great. So June 10th, we're still on track, and all right, I'll cut this and we'll get back to the regular part of the video. Okay, so here's the MJG Technologies. Firewires, I got an 80 pack, and it's like 80 cents a piece when you buy directly from them, and then the shipping is about $14. There's no hazmat involved in this because of the way they're made. And there they are. So for anyone who's never seen these before, these are amazing. I buy the 3-foot long wires. Now with shipping, they come out to like 97 cents a piece if you buy the 80 pack. They are cheaper if you buy them through Chris Rocketry, but they haven't had them in stock over there in some time. And the way they buy them, they sell them for like 75 cents a piece with a 3-foot wire. And you have to buy like either a 40 pack from Chris or 80 to get that 75-cent price. These are great. So you pull down, you can pull these caps down and just expose the match head, and they will fit right inside an SD's black powder motor. I had no problems with 18 millimeter 24 and the I believe the F15. It lights everything, no problem. That's how I did my Black Lightning cluster. They were all, that was a central F15, and on the outboard there was 4 E12s, 24 millimeters, and I used these wires and it lit them all, no problem. So this is going to be great. This is going to help me with my dual deployment for the year. I'm glad to have these in because I am out. So big step there. I need those. And here's the box from Chris Rocketry, and big piece right here is the LCD screen that plugs into the RRC3 altimeter from MissileWorks, and MissileWorks makes this. This will allow you to have full access to the RRC3, and I didn't realize that. There's no way to really get into the air start part of that board. So you have you can fire off the extra pyrotechnic channels, and there's a better delay setup for, I think it's for the main coming out in apogee.
so you have a little more control with this. And it's just nice to plug it in and get your data. So there's that. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I was kind of stupid with my RRC3. I left it on the sled and I was trying to glue a switch in. I was lazy and I did not pull the altimeter away and get it in a safe spot, and I dripped one tiny drop of glue on the switches on the RRC3 altimeter. So that thing is stuck on the default settings on those mechanical switches. So I mean, I wanted to get this anyways, but that's another reason why I got this, so I can program the board a little easier from my silly mistake. And lesson learned, haste makes waste most of the time. So I was in a rush, I didn't do the right thing, and yeah, paid for it. The altimeter still works, I can't adjust it. So, all right, here's the other stuff. To finish the Jupiter 3 electronics bay, I need some more the battery clips, and I got these switches. I'm gonna try these screw-on switches. I've never used them, but it looks, something new. Just got to solder in those points right here in the end there. So, and then these holes here are the mounting point, and it should be good. And I got a couple of I'm out of 1010 rail guide buttons there, so I got some more of those. Of course, I love this sticker. Fly it like you stole it. Kind of like the other saying there, drive it like you stole it. And that's where I just want to give a quick update on where things are at. And I plan on, after this video, I'm going to be out there finish up the electronics bay with this stuff. All right. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next video.